This is being World Review here, reviewing the final race from Jada Toys Nano Scale cars. As you can tell, I'm dealing with a little bit of allergies, but hopefully this video will come out okay for you guys. Here's how the track gets used. So let's flip it over. Here's the barcode. I gotta give my knife real quick. That way we can get it out of the package. My safety knife from work will work. Let's take a look at it. So maybe right here. Or never mind. Right here probably would have been. Okay. So it looks like we can just unfold this and then like pull this out. It's kind of coming. There's like a little bit of these things lock in the cars or something. Here's the actual set. Everything we're missing. Here's some railroad pizzas. Everything else. And here's what they were attached to. You can see it's kind of like the scene. But yeah. Here's what all we got. Put the knife out of the way. But yeah, I'll be back with it all built up. See ya, guys, tomorrow. Hey, we're back with it all built up. So let's take a look at the instructions first before we get straight into it. Here's the instructions. It's pretty nice. It has piece count and all that other stuff. But yeah. So here's the actual set. I don't like how it reaches off my table. But yeah, these two things are replaceable for, hold on guys, for these, the broken ones. But yeah, so let's talk about the vehicles first before we talk about the actual diorama. So here's the Toyota, Brian's Toyota. It has the little logo right there. It has some of the grill right there. Where they go. Silver wing, base. Oh yeah, they do come on stands. Stands, for someone that's wondering, they do remove. So now you can just drive it around like it's a regular car. But why it comes on the stand is because it's a little diorama. Here's the base. It's got black wheels. Like I said, it's pretty cool for its size. And it has a lot of detail for its size. So, you gotta be at least somewhat content with it. And here's the charger. We're gonna take the base off. Here's the charger. Dom's charger right here. Has the grill. Has the blower. Looks super fast. Here's base. Gray windows. All blacked out. Whew. It looks good. But yeah, you can easily just put it back on the base like that. And let me tell you, the base does move around, so it got like a little bit of wiggle room. And then of course you have the train that they jump, which is actually two parts. It's got this part, this hollow part that actually kind of looks like a dog treat now. But then you have the actual train itself. Comes with orange caution. Pretty cool. And here's the actual diorama. These were kind of hard to get in for a minute. But yeah, there's track pieces going this way. Here's the broken thing, meaning they already jumped through it. There's little fences right here. There's so much detail in this thing. Even the lights have detail, so it's just like, it's pretty cool. And then you got like some little details like that, like a sewer drain, which makes this thing really something. But yeah, like I said, these kind of just replace these. Take these off. Of course I'm not gonna do it because I don't wanna. But yeah, they replace those. There's another sewer point pipe for you. Like I said, it got this huge track. But yeah, like I said, it's pretty cool. I really like it. I really think other people would too, that are Fast and Furious fans. But yeah, like I said, this is pretty cool. Everything good here. But yeah, like I said, it's pretty cool. It's a pretty big track set. It was hard to put together at first, but it's pretty nice to see it all put together. And I'm so happy to have this thing in my collection, but I don't know where to display the diorama, unfortunately, because the 2-track pieces kind of make it a little bit big. My plan was to just put it under here. But yeah. So, I figured it out. But this is BM World, signing out. See y'all next time.